everyone, today I will show you how to export the Webflow website for free and also how to remove the Webflow badge for free. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download Visual Studio Code because you will need to use this editor. You can download it for Windows, macOS or Linux. After you have Visual Studio Code downloaded, you go to Webflow and you choose the website which you want to export. I will export this website. Then you need to publish this website and put it online. Here I have my website. So what we need to do is we need to click inspect, and you will go here to this HTML part. You click edit as HTML and you click Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C to copy it. Then you need to open Visual Studio Code. You need to create index.html file. So I have mine created at the desktop under the folder web. So you just create normal index.html file, but I already have one, so I don't need to create it. And here you need to paste what you copied. That's it. Now what you need to do is you need to copy this script so we can remove the badge. So I will show you now. When we enter the so here I have my index.html, and you can see here I have made in Webflow badge, and to remove it what we need to do is we need to copy this code and paste it at the bottom of this index.html code. Here you click next to the body, you click double enter, and here you can paste the script. Now you click Ctrl S to save it, and we will remove this. Now what you need to do is you need to download two extensions. You need to download this Beautify extension to make your code look better, like this, because first your code will be in one line, so you need to use extension Beautify to create this code like this. And then you need to use extension Live Server. You need to install it, and then after you've done all of that, after you copied the script here at the bottom, what you need to do, and after you downloaded the live server, what you need to do is you need to right click and you click open with live server, and that's it. Now you have exported the Webflow website for free, and you also remove the badge, and that's it.